No!
Bigfoot got the drone!
No!
Bigfoot got the drone!
Wait, let's look! Oh shit!
Achilles? What are you doing, man?
I was just out in the woods.
Oh, what? You have a package?
I got a drone.
Ah, a drone.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another. What? Wait a minute. Not. And that's right, guys. As you saw in the title, we clickbait ya. Loser. Yeah. In today's video, we're going to hunt Bigfoot. We have heard that around these woods in America.
Yeah.
I got something to prove it. What is this? Jesus Christ, these bugs. American dollar.
Yeah, wait, I gotta focus. There.
I can see it, yeah.
Yeah.
And look, Illuminati.
Oh my god!
Listen. Around these woods in America, North America, right? Am I wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should be. There is the famous Sasquatch.
Yeah.
So, here, there's been a lot of reports of missing people. Of course, people think that it's Bigfoot. Allegedly. Did I say it right?
I think so.
Okay. As you can see here, you can start a campfire.
Yeah.
And, like, grill a little bit. You know, you could do this. That was epic. How do you hunt down a Bigfoot? Well, you use a lot of tools, but right now we're gonna use a drone.
Yeah.
Now I bought this drone on the dark web, so maybe there could be some secret videos here that people have forgot to take away.
Yeah.
Or delete. But we can see some messed up shit. So like if you want to see when we uncover. Maybe.
Yeah.
Because I'm not sure. But that's not the point.
Yeah.
It's Bigfoot. We gotta walk to this famous place where the Bigfoot is hunting his prey.
Yeah.
And when I mean prey, I mean campers. We'll see you there. So, here is the location where Bigfoot allegedly has been. This is not the only place. There's a lot more. God damn mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Thank God we're not in Africa. Well, time to unpack the bad boy. So, Vincent, for those who don't know and are babies, this is Bigfoot.
Yeah.
This is a mythical creature. Or, I don't know, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a...
Legend.
It's legit. It's not a myth.
Yeah.
Here's the drone. While I assemble it, maybe you wanna look around, go around a little bit,
Yeah.
and check our surroundings.
Yeah.
I'll stay here and fix the camera.
We're like on a hill or something. Yeah, it goes down a bit. But yeah, and there's lake, maybe like Loch Ness or something.
Oh, think if the Loch Ness monster is here.
Yeah.
We should maybe do that. Comment if you want
Yeah.
to see
Comment.
if we can find the Loch Ness monster. Mother.
And there's like boats or stuff, like motorboats. That's why it's.
Still daytime, but we could be lucky and find Bigfoot.
Yeah, because like he wants to eat stuff. Why would he then go like at night? Nothing's awake.
Exactly. Are you ready, Vincent?
Yes.
All right, then let's do this. And let's put him like here, where it's more flat.
Yeah.
It's just tilted. Shit. Okay.
There.
Oh, this is perfect.
Yeah.
All right, let's try to find Bigfoot.
Yeah.
No.
No.
It's a little bit hard, but we will find. It won't work, goddammit.
Yeah.
I know.
Let's try that again.
Let's go! What's that? Holy shit. Wait. Let me...
Damn.
Oh my god, these mosquitoes. Did you see that big fuzzy
thing? Yeah.
It was right down there.
Yeah.
Let's bring the drone back.
Yeah.
I can control this guy. I'm a master.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta review that footage.
Yeah.
I forgot to record. No! It's recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's recording. As you can see, guys, the thing can see me.
Yeah.
Alright. Put it there.
Mosquitoes.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Ooh. Alright. Again, gotta check the camera here on my phone. Alright, let's go down carefully. Let's not hit anything. Oh, yo. Wait, what's that?
Man. Yeah, man.
Oh my god. I'm doing my best to not hit anything. Holy moly. Smokes. Holy smokes. What is that, Vincent?
Yeah. Damn.
That's a scary beast. We gotta go closer.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is that Bigfoot?
I think so.
Oh my god. We gotta go back. We gotta go back.
Yeah.
Come back, drone.
Return.
No.
Bigfoot's got the drone.
No.
Bigfoot's got the drone.
Wait, let's look. Oh shit. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Yeah. What? Yeah. All of them. Oh shit.
Yeah.
We got footage of fucking Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Man.
Bigfoot got the drone.
Oh my god. Okay. You know how much that took me? That cost me almost
Like 16,000 or something.
Oh my god, we gotta go down.
Yeah, we gotta go down, man.
Oh, I see it.
You found it?
What the hell? What's that?
Bigfoot, I guess.
Yeah, but it was like I didn't think you would actually be out in the daytime.
But Achilles, maybe we should like pause and go
Yeah,
look.
we have to find the guys. We'll be right back, guys. All right, Bigfoot, wherever you are, get prepared. Oh. I don't know if the battery's low. Oh, why did it activate? Wait, who activated it?
Wait, just activated?
They activated it. What the fuck? Look, it's on.
You lost another one.
No.
But we know the Bigfoot is around here somewhere.
Maybe when we went down, he was fighting with the controls.
Yeah.
Look around. Look around.
Yeah.
Let's try again. No.
Nah.
I think it's on.
Shit, did you hear that sound?
What?
The sound.
No.
Did you hear?
Let's go back.
Yeah, like Bigfoot's gotta be around here somewhere.
I think he's stalking us.
Yeah.
He has to.
And I heard like a sound like deep. Yeah.
Maybe.
What?
Did you hear that? Something that snapped. What the hell? Hear those footsteps?
Yeah, man.
Wait, do you see the silhouette?
Bigfoot.
He's behind.
He's behind her.
He's right there.
Yes.
He's moving to the stick. Oh my god. Okay, he's turning. Yeah. He's looking. Wait.
Oh shit! He's off! He's off! Run! Leave! Just run!
Oh, he's right behind me. Oh my god. I gotta run. I gotta run. Oh, my leg. Oh, my leg.
I gotta move. But that means there's like something. They got him. He's fooled.
Where's Bigfoot? Shit, my leg. Vincent! Ah!
He's somewhere around here. Achilles! What is it? What did he say? I did. Yeah. Yeah, I saw him before over there.
My leg, man. Let's go back. Let's go.
Yeah. I saw him over there. At first. I saw him over there.
But he was running after me.
Yeah, but I like lured him away.
I think we were chased by 2 Bigfoots.
Nah, man. One is enough. Oh.
I really hurt my leg, man.
Damn.
I was running. I have footage. I filmed myself when I run.
Oh, good.
When I ran, I mean.
Yeah.
The drone is dead. I think we should pack up and leave as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Because
if there are 2 ones, then...
I mean, we gotta go back here. If you want to see a part 2 and we actually get some good drone footage,
yeah.
oh my god, that would actually be great.
Yeah.
But until next time, we won't be here. I mean, we won't be chasing Bigfoot, I think. See you. Bye-bye.